Alright folks, today it's not about recipes, today it's a technical how-to tutorial for your Broil King keg. It's time to grill! So, autumn has just arrived in Germany. This makes a lot of people want to make their low and slow dishes outside while they are inside. I got a lot of questions in the past on how to set up your BROILKING KEG on indirect heat for low and slow barbecue temperatures. So here you go, this is my ultimate tutorial. So this is a brand new keg and all we have to do is take off the grates and then we add some briquettes, charcoal in the middle of that wonderful grill. We take one starter here. So this is cheaper charcoal. I normally use Mac Briquette X, my favorite charcoal made of bamboo or different other things. So this one is from German DIY store. This is the cheaper one. I want to show you that this is also possible with the cheaper charcoal. So once the starter is burning, just let him burn like so and get some briquettes, charcoal on top of it so it's able to heat up a little bit. And then we're gonna start with the bottom vents. We're gonna open these completely and then we're gonna let this one burn with an open lid until the starter stops burning. So this might take about 4 till 4.5 minutes here. It depends on your starters and other things like the outside temperature, if there is any wind. A lot of things have an impact on this. So once you're ready, you can see now it starts heating up and the briquettes are just starting and they get a little bit white. So that's the moment we close the lid and we open the bottom vents completely. So right now you have a chimney effect which helps heating up the briquettes. So that's pretty easy. This might take now, again this depends on the outside temperature and some other things like the wind, etc. And we're gonna heat this up until we have an internal grill temperature of 140 to 150 degrees Celsius. So in Germany it's the goal, of course it's Celsius, it's the goal to get something between 90 and 120. So we are aimed for 110. But of course if you will later add some water, the dripping pan, etc. for this grill, the temperature will go down as well. Same thing the moment you will add your meat. So you have to look for a higher temperature in the beginning. But make sure to watch the grill. The BROILKING KEG might go faster with higher temperature than you expect. If you will forget this grill for 10 or 15 minutes, it might have 200, 250 soon. So now the grill has 140 to 150 degrees Celsius. We're gonna add the setup for indirect grilling here, which can be bought with your keg. There's a dripping pan and all you have to do now is add some water. So now it depends if you take warm water or colder water. The temperature of the grill might fall down as well. I took water which was not very cold but also not very warm, so something in the middle. Make sure you have enough water in there, and the water has different effects. First of all, it helps to get a bigger space for indirect grilling, but second, it helps to keep the temperature stable inside your grill. So if you're headed for longer jobs, low and slow, make sure to watch the dripping pan so there's always enough liquid in there. So then we keep going with the full vents for approximately another 3 to 5 minutes until the grill has reached again the 110 degrees, and then we're gonna close it again. So you can close it before as well. It might go up somewhere in nearby the 100 or 110, and again this might has an impact of wind and weather. So if you won't get back to 110, just open the bottom vent some more and the top vent and just watch it until it will rise up to 110 again. So that's pretty easy. All in all, we are back at 110 degrees. The amount of charcoal I used lasted about 6 hours. So this one was perfect for me. I was headed for a job for 6 hours, so this one was close to perfection. If you take more charcoal or you take different charcoal, like a higher quality charcoal, this might last much longer. So these are the short ribs we are smoking today. The recipe will be up by Thursday. Make sure to watch it. So that's how to set up your BROILKING KEG for indirect heat, low and slow temperature. I hope you liked the video. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. We're seeing us again in the upcoming days. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.